Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the ordered array section. This is more array methods, pushing and popping. In the previous exercise, we learned how to add single array elements and to change array elements at a given index. PHP also provides us with built-in methods for removing array elements and for adding many elements at once. The array pop function takes an array as its argument. It removes the last element of an array and returns the removed element. Here we have my array, and it's assigned this array with the strings tick, tack, and toe. When we do array pop and pass in my array is now tick tack. We then create a variable popped and we assign to it array pop and pass in my array. Popped is tack since it is dropping it and then returning the dropped value. My array is now tick because we popped the last two elements. Note that array pop doesn't just set the last element to null, it actually removes it from the array, meaning that array's length will decrease by 1, which we can verify using count. The array push function takes an array as its first argument. The arguments that follow are elements to be added to the end of the array. Array push adds each of the elements to the array and returns the new number of elements in the array. Here we have new array and we assign any. Here we have num added and it's assigned array push. And we are pushing to new array, meeny, miny, mo. Echo, num added, prints 4. Echo implode, comma separating new array is going to print eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's practice. Our instructions say we provide you an array, stack. Use the array push function to add two elements to the array, blocker and impediment. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass. 2 says use the array pop function to remove all but one element from the array. Let's do that now. Let's look at a hint just to make sure. The array now has 5 elements, and we know that because we had wild success, failure, struggle, and then we added blocker and impediment. We could run it 4 times to make sure we only have one element left. You'll need to call array pop 4 times, which we just said. Let's try that. Let's run that. And we do pass, and we could print R just to make sure. Let's run that, and we do get our array with one element, wild success. So what we're learning here is more array methods, pushing and popping. We're able to push an element to the end of an array, and we're able to pop. And the push function takes an array as its first argument, and the argument that follows are elements to be added to the end of the array. It will return the new number of elements in the array. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.